Hi, I'm Lizzie,
And I'm Sarah.
and basically it's a little bit about me.
It's all about
It's
her
all about
today.
me today, and I want to talk about abdominal surgery. I had a myomectomy where they cut me kind of from here to about here and took out a fibroid, had quite a large fibroid, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about the recovery from that and what I did to kind of help myself get back to teaching and exercising, because obviously that's what I love to do. And it is how normal it is to feel a certain way. So when you first come out of hospital, you are very much like this. It's very much about, it's the protection. You go into protection mode, and which is really common. So I spent quite a lot of time feeling quite achy and sore, and it was quite hard to get up, and my abdominals felt really, really tender because they pull them apart to kind of get in there. So they'd obviously yank them apart a bit, and it was sore, really, really sore, to come back together. And I had lost some feeling as well from my belly button down. Still don't have that, by the way. Still don't have feeling round about there. It's very, very odd, but you get used to it. But what my point is, before I go off on a tangent, is about what I did to help myself. So I focused very much on standing tall. So I wanted to get out of this protective mode, and I wanted to get longer and stronger, because as soon as you start to lengthen, you start to stretch out the scar tissue, which is going on down there. And because I've had an appendix out as well, so it's just full on in my stomach, I've got another scar there. So initially I felt quite a lot of pulling on my old scar, and I think it's all of the things that they did going on with the other operation. So I focused a lot on how to stand properly. And so whenever I was going into the kitchen to make a cup of tea, I put the kettle on, I go, right, okay, think about how you're standing. And then from there I started to think about how I was breathing, because again, your diaphragm and your pelvic floor are connected via connective tissue. So as you breathe, and all the insides as well, so as you breathe up and out, that helps again move all of the inside, the deep stuff. So I probably about 4 weeks in, started doing some deep breathing. So I didn't do anything else, because I was told a good 6 weeks recovery because it's open surgery. And in fact, a bit longer, 12 weeks is probably before I started doing anything a bit more than just posture and breathing. So take your time in those early weeks to just focus on how you're standing and how you're breathing, and try to reduce the amount of pressure that you're putting into your abdominal cavity. So when you're getting up off the floor, we speak about this a lot, when you're getting up off the floor, you're rolling onto your side and you're pushing yourself up. Or out of bed, roll onto your side, push yourself up. Don't put any unnecessary pressure into that area because of the scarring. But it's also, this is relevant to someone who's had a hysterectomy as well, or prolapse surgery, anything like that. It's all about trying to get everything out of here. So we don't want to be pushing down, we want to be lifting up and out. So we just wanted to jump on. I wanted to give you a little bit of my experience personally and how I developed from there. That started off with just posture and breathing, and then I developed into more stuff after there. But I just wanted to explain really how you can start to make some changes earlier on after surgery. So I hope that's helped, and we'll see you next time.